In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to style with textured extension, blend it into your natural hair to create any style that you desire. First, I'm going to be taking a middle parting. This time, middle part will look so good on it. You can do side, but for what we are doing today is middle. I'm just going to bring some hair around the hair, just the front. If you want to take it like up to ponytail, you can bring around the back, but for this side we are just only bringing the middle and the side out. If we are just meeting for the first time, welcome to the channel. I'm a hairstylist in London, and if you want to learn more about hairstyling, don't forget to subscribe and welcome to the crew. We are using a U-part wig by Alipe hair. That's what we are using. So I take it first of all to just kind of measure the hair, because sometimes if you don't measure it, by the time you finish, it becomes there's too much gap at the back and it doesn't make it look good. So just use it to like measure it, what I did just now, and then when you do that, you know you have the accurate length of the hair. Then I'm just going to weave these two. You can see our hair is very full. When your hair is full like this, I'll be showing you another method to do it. Don't take it as big as this. You can take it maybe a little bit slimmer. I'm going to be taking a section around the hair. So this, we are just going to curl this, okay? So just curl it. It doesn't really, the size don't really matter. So just curl it to the back as much as you can. Just do everything like what I'm doing now. So I'm just using a needle to sew each together individually so that it's not bulky at the back. This is the hair we are using today by Alipe. This is the original state of the hair. I didn't do anything. I didn't flat iron it. I did nothing, because I just want to show you how the hair came. And then the hair really surprised me. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I like using a lot of kinky. Most of the one I buy, they are like plastic, but this one came, I'm impressed. That's what I can say. I'm impressed with their hair. This is a 22-inch hair, 22 or 24. So the side here, so what I did after the video, I just kind of tack it with a needle. There's a clip there, but she wanted to carry this hair. She really liked the hair, and she has been using it. The hair is still on her hair right now. I'm just blending. You can see the one from the back. We've already putting it on top. Now we look, we have the right length. This side, I did not do nothing. I did not straighten her hair, and you can see how beautiful, and it looks so natural. That's a good thing. So Alipe, don't worry, I'm going to buy from you next time. Now we are going to the styling. So you can leave it down just like this, or you can style it if you want to. So the style we're doing now, you can see I told you center pattern looks so good on it. So I'm just putting a little bit of like a spray. You can use a oil sheen on it because it's natural hair. So I'm doing a ponytail at the back. So get some of your band and just wrap the hair. I'm just going to wrap the band because we don't want the band to show, so just wrap the band. So I'm just wrapping the band, and get some of your bobby pin and just use it at the end there to just twirl around like what I'm doing and just secure it into place. Okay, so we are using the padding at the back. So this style, I will be using this hair quite a lot to do different style. You see what you can do. You don't need to use padding if you don't want to. You can just do it without padding because the hair is full and it looks so natural. And I am happy that we got this hair. So we are going to be doing a lot of hair. This hair, as I said, is from Alipe hair. All the link will be in the description below. Just go and have a look and say Chris Beck sent you there.
You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that.
The hair is so easy to use. It wasn't slimy on my hand, which I was quite surprised. So the hair was sent to us to review. So this is my honest opinion. Some hair that I use, I'm not really too into it, but this one, I really like the hair, which actually surprised me. So I thought they are going to send some rubbish hair, but thank you for this hair. We are going to be using it in this channel a lot. Now the bun is done. So what I did there, I just push all the remaining hair to the back. Make sure it's pushed in because we don't want any of the pin showing, and just pin it.
You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart.
So this, we're just doing some creative hairstyle here. So I twisted that part. I use it to kind of make our own natural hair, because we don't want the natural hair coming up because the hair is not as long to the back. So I just twisted that part. You can see it looks like a style, but it's like what I say to my students. I tell them sometimes you need to work with what you have, like what we're doing now. You can see, oh, it's a technique. No, actually, I'm just folding the natural hair inside. So that's it. So pin that part and take the other one and push it in. Just use your spray like that. So just comb in. That's it. The hair is shiny, and the hair, I think the color is natural color. So our hair is kind of dark, maybe 1B, and the extension just work. The U-part wig just work. And yeah, you're going to be seeing more of this hair. I know when you watch this video, like, yeah, that's our lip hair. We are using it again. So now the side, I'm just taking that one, so you can see. Just hold it a little bit firm. Put a little bit of your oil sheen spray, or you can use your L'Oreal spray, and just pin it to the back. So we are going to repeat the same step. We're going to repeat it to the side. Just comb, okay? Just make sure comb. Don't pull, don't drag. Just pin that part, and just, that's it. Just take it to the back. That's it.
I hope I'll be your destination.
Yeah, sometimes when you're working on the client, don't be scared to ask them to hold the pin for you. If you think that will be easy for you, just be kind and say, oh, please, can you hold this for me? If they don't, doesn't matter, you can just hold it yourself. I want you to watch this place, okay? So what I do when I finish the hair, so I tell my student, I say, just marinate the hair, like what you're doing now. Just take your time. It's not like doing the hair. So it's when you finish the hair, just have a look and see if the hair is sitting right at the appropriate place, and just clean any part that you need to clean. Now we are going to be using accessory. There are different type of accessory. Just the one that will go. This one looks so good, and these are what I say. I say accessory as well. You can check the link. All the link to the hair, to anything you need, to the product is going to be down the description below. Don't forget, the hair we use today is by Alip Hair. I just want to say to you, Alip Hair, thank you so much for the hair, and we like it, and we are going to keep on using it. Bye for now. If you haven't yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I can't wait to see what you have done with your own natural kinky extension. Bye for now.
I hope